There's a sunflower behind me. Oh, they're doing photo shoot. Sorry. You gotta take the picture of that. Guys, it's yeah, guys. Pupunta kami sa sunflower field. Ayan, sakay kami ng wagon. Distance. We're going to make sure you didn't drop the phone. Hold it phone.
It's a little too rough to film, so
Yes. We're going to the sunflower field. It's like a bulldozer. Is it okay? Punta na kami doon. The sunflower season is very good. That is my birthday. Oh, this is fun. Stop, I don't have. Can you take me picture? Oh no, it's so tall. One sunflower seed is $2. Somebody will put it your 3 days at Evans. Look, guys, they celebrate also. They have card. We don't need this.
is it already on?
Yeah. Hi guys. This is sunflower. And we walk out there. Guys, ito yung sunflower. Sunflower. Daming bubuyog. Sweetie?
No, I'm not.
He's not scared of bubuyog. I'm scared. Go to your ears.
I don't even know what a booby yog is, but
It's
as long as it's not a snake, I'm fine.
Go, let's go. Higher, sweetie, because you're tall.
I already did that.
Oh, we went all the way around that. Oh, was that one?
You want this on portrait?
Yeah, we went down that
Huh?
way. All right.
No, oh yeah, like that. Should be
Okay.
like that. You guys, look. Nag-ano na siya. Kanya ka, sweetie. It's the flower is what do you call that? Sunflower seeds. It becomes sunflower seeds. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, looks so pretty out there. Can I go there very quick, sweetie?
Mm-hmm.
I need to. I'm scared. Oh, look, I'm the one scared. What? Oh, we can actually come here.
Did it already leave? Guys, did it already leave?
Guys.
Let's go pay for sunflowers.
Grabe guys, ang ganda ng sunflower. Oh, what is this here? I need to get up. Maybe I can climb there and... Oh, you know what? I can climb there. Can I climb?
Now you're in a dress, you tell me.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I know, look down at the flower now.
Okay, give me the camera. You wanna get up? Hi guys! Ayan, nandito ako sa Sunflower Garden in Georgetown. Ang ganda-ganda. Hindi ka pwede mamitas. Wala, sweetie, is somebody flack on it or what? Why she wanna take picture with that sunflower? That's the last one there, and then we can go back. Because it's sweet, sweetie, that's why they love bees. Look. So when are you gonna harvest it? See, they bring a camera. Yeah. Hapit na talaga siya guys, tingnan niyo. Sweetie, why do you call it sunflower? Because look like a sun? Oh, look, this is the same. Huh? You gotta video me when I'm singing.
You get this off the timer, so you
Look. Come on.
take the timer.
Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Sweetie, did you stand there, take the whole thing of me? Guys. Ay, look. It's a portrait. You wanna get inside? Wait, sweetie, look. Look. Can I borrow this?
No, you can't. You gotta get charged for it. Do that.
Is somebody put it there?
Thank
Come on,
you.
sweetie, come on. Hurry up, take the picture. I don't want to climb. I want my dress.
Okay, hang on. I can't get it all. Put the phone down. Put the phone down, honey. Just run a photo. Oh, sweetie.
All the flowers. I mean, do you like it, sweetie?
Yeah. You're already moving.
Guys, I want to show my dress, sweetie.
Honey, stop. No. Damn it.
He doesn't want me to
Just
take
like a
picture,
kid.
ma. Guys. Ayan, guys. Oh my gosh, look big in here. Okay, sweetie, take me picture.
Those are all drooping. Those are getting too heavy.
Okay, take me picture. Oh, don't smile. walk near the sunflower. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. It's a good decision, is it?
It was, yeah. I haven't even opened it up yet.
Yeah, why they're not the same?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Sweetie, did you
See,
take...
these are just now opening.
Oh yeah. Sweetie, did you take
I
a
did. I got a whole
picture?
panorama thing of that.
Okay.
Yep, sure did.
Let's go.
Everybody do it again.
Look. Guys, nabali siya. Kaluoy sa sunflower. My hand is so busy. Pity. I wish somebody...
Please.
So hot.
Yeah, it's still on. Right. Yeah, start moving. Now look at the picture. You're moving. Keep going.
Where are we going? Sweetie, I'm just want to be here and I'm done. I'm so tired. I have a headache. See, she got sunflower thing. Is that yours, guys? Moss.
That was laying there when we came up.
Oh.
No,
Come on, sweetie.
leave it back. Oh.
Yeah, I will. Okay. Come on, take my picture.
Picture one. We got you.
The one girl, hot sunflower.
Okay, that's that one picture. Maybe somebody else had turned. No, he's not taking that. We covered all of it.
Okay, let's go. Guys, uwi na kami. Tapos na ang flower thing. Put your mask on. Hey guys, it's actually a tractor, look. Ayan guys, so na kami. Buy some flowers. Listen. Hold on, si Delele.
Ready? Check.
Ay, kamaisan dito guys. Titi, what is that? Tapos wala kang bunga. Uy, yun, look, apple. Apple picking. Titi, can we do apple picking next time? Look, it's a lot of apples there. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Pauwi. I'm on the side. Like that. You haven't taken a picture?
I took your picture.
We go and look around there?
She got the mask on. I got so much dirt on this phone and everything. Somebody leaving me messages. Somebody's trying to call me.
Who?
I don't know.
Who? So I never seen like this before. Oh my god. Look. Oh my gosh, it's richer. 150. Here it is. Oh, 150 like this, it is? Not bad. Watermelon. Sugar, baby. Oh, they have all kinds of vegetables. Organic. This is our eggplant in the Philippines. $2. Giant tomato. We have a giant tomato. Big size, hot size. You're gonna make it. It's not early. Oh, you're gonna have to do it, baby. Oh, yeah.
We bought that already made in Fairbanks.
Let's go. Expensive.
Way out here by that box and get you in the sun.
Oh, you can. Nemo. She said Nemo. You didn't have mask. Oh, the car. I used it.
Stay with me, don't go off.
Where are we?
I will leave you there. You can walk off.
Oh, that's not our car. That's what there is a thing on it.
Let go.
Ayan guys. Uwi na kami. Exit. Oh! It's my car. It's my car. It's my car. It's my car. Okay, sige kasi so hot. Go, go, go.